Today I'm gonna make chia seed pudding, super simple, fast. This is great to get ready for summertime when you know you're gonna be wearing those dresses and those swimsuits. Chia seed pudding is so good for you. Why do you need it? Because it's high in protein, high in fiber, and high in good fats. That's why you need it. It's gonna keep you satisfied. It's gonna keep your blood sugar stabilized. Before I get started, I would love to ask if you would consider hitting the subscribe button down below. I love making these recipes, and I'm forming a community of amazing people who love healthy food. So if you're interested in being part of this community, would you consider hitting the subscribe button down below? It's that little red button. Just click on that. Tell me what you think of these recipes. Let's do this journey together. And now let's get started on this next recipe. So here's the thing, you guys, and this is always so confusing, I think. Chia seed pudding, what I found the best ratio is what most packages recommend, and this works the best. That's 1 cup of plant milk to 1/4 cup of chia seed, okay? And then you can add your favorite sweetener. Today I'm adding maple syrup, and then just a little dash of some vanilla. And I've got my favorite little toppings over here, some raspberries, some coconut, and some pumpkin seeds. What I like to do is I'm just gonna put plant milk into a bowl. You've got your chia seeds going in. And I just go straight for the color right out the gate here. So I'm gonna add my dragon fruit powder. Here's the other thing, you guys, if you wanna add a little bit more protein to it, you can do a scoop of protein powder. I've done that, it works great. And what you're getting with that 1/4 cup of chia seed, listen to this, you guys, 20 grams of fiber in 1 serving of this chia seed pudding. That is amazing. That's going to keep you feeling fuller longer. It's going to stabilize blood sugar. It's going to keep things moving, if you know what I'm talking about. Okay, so you really want this in your diet. The other thing is you're getting about 10 grams of protein, and you get about 5 grams of omega-3 fatty acids, and then there's other fatty acids in here that are good for you as well. Now we've got to add the maple syrup, just a little sweetener. You don't have to, totally optional, and just a little dash of vanilla extract. Mixed together really nicely, and then you want to let it sit for about 10 minutes because it's going to thicken up. It's sat for 10 minutes, it's looking good, and I'm just going to pour it into a pretty jar. And there you go. A simple, high fiber, high protein, and high in good fat snack or breakfast or lunch. So when you're done with this, you pop it in the fridge for about 2 hours and it's good to go. We're starting out with 1 cup of plant milk. I have almond milk. I'm gonna add my chia seeds. Then I'm gonna add just 2 teaspoons of maple syrup to sweeten it up. I'm gonna dump it all into one place here. A little bit of vanilla extract. And then for me, I like to add a really nice color. So I have this, it's called, let me read this to you. It's called Blue Butterfly Pea Flower Powder, okay? And it's really high in antioxidants, we love it. And it gives such a pretty coloring to the chia seed pudding, so it's not that plain boring white. Although if you like that one, you could do that too. But you're just gonna dump everything into a measuring cup, give it a nice mix. Look at this pretty blue, so amazing. So the package says if you add a little bit of citrus to the blue butterfly pea flower, it's gonna turn it magenta. So I guess we're gonna get magenta now. So easy to make. 1 cup of your favorite milk. I use plant milk, and 1/4 cup of chia. That's the ratio, you guys, but look at this. Super blue. Okay, it's going in the fridge for about 2 hours. Look at my other one. It's been in the fridge for a while. It's looking good. It's 1 cup of your favorite milk. I am using just almond milk right now. So I'm just pouring it into a measuring cup. It's all going into one place. 1/4 cup of the star of the show, chia seeds. I do just a little dash of vanilla extract, just for a little flavor there, a little bit more flavor. And then 2 teaspoons of maple syrup to add a little bit of sweetness. And I'm gonna throw in a bunch of cinnamon here. That also helps stabilize blood sugar, by the way, you guys. And then you just wanna give it a quick whisk. It's been sitting for 10 minutes. Now I'm just gonna pour it into a pretty jar. Give it 1 more whisk because the seeds will tend to go to the bottom. So just give it 1 more whisk and then pour it into a pretty jar and put it in your fridge for 2 hours. High fiber, high protein, high in good fats, chia seed pudding, super easy to make. Okay, so everything has been in the fridge for 2 hours. So I've got a vanilla cinnamon. And what I'm gonna do with that one, I'm just going to add, let me put a cinnamon stick so we know which one it is. I'm just gonna add a little bit of chopped walnuts. Actually, I'm gonna go, a little bit of chopped walnut at the top. Give it a little crunch. And then I did a little bit of cut up fig. So that's gonna kick up the sweetness as well. But just a little something on top here. The dragon fruit powder, the pink one, I'm just gonna add just a little bit of coconut and some beautiful raspberries. Why not? There you go. And then for the blue, a little bit of pistachio on there. Oh, so fun. And then some blueberries. For my pink one, I'm gonna add some pumpkin seeds to this one. Why not? Then some coconut flakes. Top it off with some raspberries. Okay, there you have it. Chia seed pudding, 3 different flavors, 3 different styles, whatever is to your liking. You can add peanut butter to one of these. You can add almond butter. You can add cocoa powder. There's so many different ways to do this. Have fun, happy eating, happy summertime. I hope you enjoy. Comment below, let me know what you think. Remember to like, save, share, and that you are deeply loved by God.